We're quite proud to say today we're in Coleg Gwent today. This is one of the 3 heats we're holding in Wales, and the welcome we've had has been fantastic. The students today are competing against standards set by tutors across Wales. The projects are designed to meet the needs of industry across Wales more importantly, and that's our aim in Wales, is to highlight the high quality skills that we deliver across our education system.
So for me the competitions are really important, particularly at the level that these guys are at now. They're training, they're learning how the tools work, they're learning what it is that they need to do. And this is an opportunity for them to not only learn through their college tutors, but also to be able to be a step up, ready for what it's going to be like in the real world when they're going to be looking for employment.
So I'm doing auto refinishing, and the task so far which we're going to do today is repair plastic body with a scratch on it, get a scratch out of a finished product such as a bonnet, and then also as well I've just masked some cars up. Next thing for me then is spray painting. The reason I decided to do the competition is just to try and help and better my skills, try and see where I am within the industry and see what I need to improve on.
It's a very good experience. This opens your eyes up a lot to more of a competitive level of painting as well, so getting your name out there as well and showcasing like what you can do.
Yeah, I'm the skills competitions manager for the IMI competitions and World Skills UK, and what we like to do, we like to come along and we like to see the best of the best, then to take them and progress them on to their next journey with competitions and take them through to the UK competition and then hopefully through to World Skills International.